Okay, dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Hackthebox, which is Access. I've already spawned the machine earlier, and this is the IP address of the target. And as always, if you can follow along my videos, you can know that I will use the pawn box, which is online payload OS provided by the Hackthebox to do this penetration. Before we start today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will help me very, very much. I think you can understand that. And in this episode, I'd like to showcase how to do the information enumeration, how to elevate our privilege. So this is, of course, I will do as much explanation as possible. And in other words, it will beyond the simple walkthrough. Okay? So enough said. Now let's just get started. We can switch over to the view on online GUI of the payload OS. As you can see, I've already done the map scanning with the usual options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan, and also use the capital P and N, which means that we will not to test the aliveness of the host or the target. We always assume that the target is online, in other words. So from the map scanning results, as you can see, the three open ports. The first one is 2021, which is running FTP surface, and also the actual version information. So I think from this point, we can know, the target is Windows machine. And also, because we did the script scan, so from the result we can know the target allows anonymous FTP login. Of course, later we need to check on this. And the second open port is 23. And this is Telnet surface. Of course, this is very insecure and also very old surface. I think this should be the point or entry for us to exploit. And this is the version information. The last one is 80, which is running HTTP surface, and also the actual version information, of course. In this case, is IIS application, and also we can get the OS information. So what we are going to do next is to do some furthermore enumeration based on the result of the map scanning. As if you can remember or follow along my videos, I always said if the target has surface like FTP surface, Samba surface, or the NFS surface running on the target, such surface should become our first order objective, to enumerate. In this case, should be 21, and we can manually check on this. We can log in to the target, and the username is anonymous, and the password, of course, blank, which is fine. And then we can list the files. There are two directories. We can go to the first one, list files again, and we got the backup MDB. Okay, I think I'm so almost certain that from the extension, this file is Microsoft Access database file. And later we will review or open this file. Okay, and now we can go back, navigate into another one, engineer, and there is just only one file, zip file we can get, because there are spaces inside the file name. So I can use the double quote or single quote, whatever, to include the whole file name. Now we can exit from the FTP session and list all files we downloaded from the target. And the MD file, of course, in the Windows, we can use the Access application of software to open it. But for the Linux, we need to use the MDB tools, not tools, the MDB package. And MDB tools has a lot of different utilities. And we can use the tab to show you, all different utility which can be used to enumerate or open the MD file or not. We just get or retrieve information from this database file. In this case, I like to use the tables, and we can open it. But the offset, I think this file is a bit broken. For example, here as you can see, the offset is beyond EOF and unable to bind columns for the table. So file does not appear to be an Access database. So it's fine, okay? And also we can check another file, zip file. We can use the unzip. But unsupported compression method, which is fine. We can use this GUI. Go to the Access, not this one, this one. We can extract here, not this one, zip file, and extract here. But we need to we need to provide password, and usually we can use the like John the Ripper to crack. But wait a moment, we can, we have another file, the MD file. This one we need to get information from this file. If we cannot get useful information from the Access database file, and then we can use the John the Ripper or the fcrack zip to crack this password. Okay, but in this case, I'd like to although we cannot, because the file maybe broken, but we are not sure, and we can use the string command to display readable character inside this file. We can scroll up. All readable information we can take a look at to see whether we can find some interesting information. For example, in this case would be password for the zip file. And let's scroll up. Of course, a lot of gibberish. And we just are interested in readable strings or information. Let's continue scrolling. Because this is a database file, so as you can see, the width is not so big. Almost there. Some add item. Of course, this is not password. 24-hour accessible? Not. This one? No, not. Access. The version information. The admin engineer. So maybe this one is the password. We can make a copy. And then we can extract this file again. And we can provide password. Yeah, as you can see, we have already got or extract the zip file. Okay, then we can, yeah, not here. Yeah, weird. Not this one. I can, oh, not back. So I need to move to the upper directory. Yeah, this one we can extract here. And I think we can list. Yeah, please forget my history files. Yeah, but not there. Very weird. Yeah, this one. Yeah, cut back. Okay, here should, yeah, here we can extract here. And we can, yeah, I've already made note. And we can paste it in here. Yeah, as you can see, we got the extract file. Now yeah, this is the PST file. I think you know, this is the email file for the, yeah, email file. And in the Linux, we can use the read PST command to, of course, we can get the help. We can use the R option to recursive output in a recursive format. And we can use the read PST and PST. Okay. List files. Then we can go inside this directory. Okay, we can cut the mbox mailbox file. And from here, from this file, mbox file, as you can see, this is the body of the email, right? And here, the password for the security has been changed to this one. And of course, we need to note down such information and note down to our notebook. So I think, you know, at this moment, we didn't make any immersion for the web application as usual. Of course, if you wish, you can do it. You can use like Nigato, GoBuster to do some web application immersion, but to save time, I will not do that now. So now I think because from the map scanning, we can know that the target is running telnet surface. So such combinations of the username and the password, what we've got from the mbox file, maybe may be used for the telnet. We can check on that. And then we can copy the password. Yeah, this should be this one. Paste in here. Yeah, we got the telnet session or the CMD session. And we can dir and we can go to the desktop directory. And we can get the user flag. We can use type command to display the content of the user flag. Next, we need to do some, of course, more enumeration, and which can be used for the local privilege escalation. We can go back to the upper directory to see how many users. Yeah, because of course, at this moment, we don't have permission to access administrator because, yeah, we are just a normal user. But there is another one, public. And yeah, as you see, this one, very weird. We cannot see the desktop directory, so we can use the dir and no dir, this option to display all, yeah, as you can see, yeah, all hidden directories, and then we can go inside this one and we can dir. Yeah, there is access security system link. I think this is some sort of the shortcut, right, for the Windows. And we can use type command to see what it's about. We can make a copy. Okay. Although, yeah, what we've got is some sort of a gibberish, but we still can get a bit idea what it's about. For example, like this is run us, and run us. To be honest, I'm not so familiar, the Windows compared to the Linux, but we can use the Google search engine to make research. As you can see, run us can execute a program under a different user account. So maybe, yeah, and also as you can see, save crate, and as you can see, save crate use credentials previously saved by the user. And at this moment, we need to know, yeah, and also we know this user is administrator, and we can confirm by the CMD key. No, CMD key. List. Yeah, this one. Yeah, we have currently stored credentials for the administrator. So I think now we can elevate our village by run us command, and use the saved or cached credentials of the administrator. But this time, we will not run this command. We want to run the reverse shell. And to do that, yeah, we need to open another tab. As you can see here, yeah, we just follow this step. Yeah, invoke PowerShell TCP Nishang, and we can download this PowerShell TCP script from the GitHub repository. Maybe not GitHub. Yeah, whatever. We can copy the link and go back to our viewer. And then we can, we just paste in here. Yeah, without any issue. Now we just follow. Yeah, I will also add the link into the description section below. Yeah, this one is very, very useful. So how to get the reverse shell? We need to set up the web server, and then we need to set up a listener by netcat, and then on the target, we need to run this PowerShell command. Okay, which is fine. So we can set up the web server, and then we need to set up the listener. Just follow the instruction, yeah, by this website. And we can use the 555. I think so, or 66. It doesn't matter. Yeah, the listener is running. And then we need to copy the PowerShell. Yeah. So to be honest, I don't like PowerShell. Compared to the Linux, it's so difficult and complicated for me. So for me, to use the PowerShell command, I needed the help of the internet, like this one. We can make a copy, and we can, of course, I have already done that earlier, as you can see here. And you need to do some modification. For example, change IP address to your own machine, and the port number. If you do not want to use the 8000, maybe you can use any other port number which is available on your local machine. So for us now, we just make a copy, and this command. Firstly, we'll download this Nishang PowerShell TCP script, and then we'll invoke the reverse shell, and we can make a copy. And now go back to our telnet session. Yeah, here, paste in here. Oh, sorry, we need to rely on the. Yeah, we need to copy run as. Yeah, we need to utilize this command, or run as, and we just, I think we can make a copy, which is fine, right? Access is machine name, and then we can double quote to include whole. I think this is called one-liner, and we can paste in here. Yeah, 443. Oh, sorry, I need to confirm. This one is not 666, should be 443. But I think it's fine anyway. And we can paste in here and run it. And now can go back to our, as you can see, we have already got another command session, and we can, or prompt, whatever you call it, and we can, who am I? Yeah, we are administrator. Now we can go back to the desktop administrator. Yeah, and go to the desktop dir, and then we can retrieve the root flag. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. In this episode, what we've done has gone through all stages, from the information enumeration to the getting initial for the hold, and finally elevate our privilege. So that's all. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.